If you're investing in GCash, GInvest na ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund, or you're interested to invest in this fund kasi nagbibigay siya ng monthly dividends, well, right now, they have lowered yung amount of investment that you can actually invest in. From 1,000, yung minimum na kailangan mong i-invest, ngayon, you can now invest for as low as 50 pesos. The question is this a good news or is this a bad news? So in this video, let's find out. So I've been getting these comments na like, Lodi or Idol, ano ba yung balita with GInvest na ALFM? Bumaba yung price. So I'm not sure if worried siya or naging happy siya. Or naging happy sila na bumaba yung amount that you can invest. Kasi dati, for you to invest in this fund, kailangan mo invest ng 1,000. Ngayon, for as low as 50 pesos, pwede na. And I checked dun sa GCash talaga. So I checked the GCash, GInvest, tapos itong Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. And then, true enough, 50 pesos na lang. So you can invest for 50 pesos. So, if you ask me, that's good news, di ba? That's good news kasi finally, pwede ka nang mag-invest tapos kikita ka ng dividends. In fact, ito yung favorite fund ko sa GInvest. However, na-notice ko na baka may worry kasi bakit bumaba? And I have to also check, sinearch ko sa internet, sa news, I went to the official GCash account, GCash na page. Wala namang news kung bakit binabaan nila yung ang tawag nito, yung minimum amount for you to invest. Wala namang news, wala akong nakitang news. And check ko rin yung performance ni ALFM Global Asset Multi-Income Fund. Bakit ang haba ng name, no? But basically, as long as yung nagbibigay ng dividends. So check ko, ito yung graph niya. So baka ito yung worry niya kasi it's going down since the time of inception. So I believe this fund is created 2019. So let me double check on that. Yeah, 2019. Tapos all it did was just go down. Go down lang in value. So baka ito din yung isa sa mga concerns niyo when it comes to the fund. So yeah, let's find out if is this a good news or is this a bad news. So if you look at yung performance niya, if you invested in 2019 up to today, yung value ng investment mo is down around more or less 20%. So that is something na of course mababahala ka talaga kasi naglagay ka ng capital, di ba? So nag-down siya ng more than 20%. However, if you compare it naman with the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, if you invest in the Philippine stock market, yun nga, 2019 din, up to today, yeah, 2023, same yung performance. So, around 20% din yung bagsak ng investments mo. So, in terms of investment performance, in terms of capital appreciation, same lang. And if you ask me, yun nga, if you're investing, tapos same lang din naman, di ba? So, why not have dividends on the side? And good thing, ito si Multi-Asset Income Fund, ALFM Multi-Asset Income Fund, at least on a monthly basis, nagbibigay sila ng regular dividends. In fact, if you go to their official website, so, yung official website nila is alfmmutualfunds.com, tapos punta ka lang, just look for ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. And then just scroll down below, dito makikita mo yung fact sheet. When you click kasi itong fact sheet, yung lalabas nun is August 2022. So, sobrang hindi siya recent, di ba? So, what I did is, Control Shift. Balik natin. Go back. So, what I did is, punta ka lang dito sa downloadable files. Downloadable files. Click mo yung downloadable files. Alright. And then, waiting. Ito na. Dito na. Downloadable files. So, scroll down below, makikita mo yung fun fact sheets. So, ito yung details ng funds. So, dito lagay mo yung year 2023, ngayon October, and then yung Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. Search mo yan if meron na ba silang fact sheet. And makikita mo na on a monthly basis, yeah, nag-update sila dun sa fact sheets. Click mo yan, and dun mo makikita yung details ng ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. Haba, no? And makikita mo, when you scroll down below, August, I think yung data nila as of today is yung August 30, 2023. Makikita mo na they're giving regular dividends. So, as of now pala, almost 6% na yung dividends. As you can see dito, di ba? Like 5.71% in dividends per year yung binibigay ni ALFM. And then when you scroll down below naman, dito mo makikita kung saan nila nilalagay yung investments natin. So, ETF, and tapos corporate bonds. So, bonds, it's a fixed instrument. High yield bonds, Taiwan Semiconductor, Microsoft Corporation, Sanofi, Shell, AstraZeneca, Nestle. So, ito yung top holdings kung saan nila ini-invest yung pera mo. So, ngayon, if you ask me, so, let's finish that. So, ngayon, if you ask me, is this a good news ba na from 1,000 peso naging 50 pesos na lang for you to invest in the ALFM fund? I'd say it's a pretty good news. So yes, nag-down yung value niya, but when you think about it, same lang din naman yung performance niya comparing it to investing in the Philippine stock market. So our negative 20%. Kasi again, in the global economy right now, yung stocks talaga, yung performance ng stocks, yung mga investments ngayon, parang going down talaga. So, medyo down yung value talaga as of now. The good thing lang is with G-Invest na ALFM fund, at least meron kang regular dividends. And maganda mag-invest ngayon, nag-down yung value, mas malaki yung dividends na ma-receive mo. Kaya very important talaga na you should do your own due diligence. Kasi ako personally, like doing this research, checking yung funds, nagiging confident ako na okay lang yung investment ko. So, you should also do the same thing. And again, this video is never financial advice, kaya ikaw, do your own research. Please really do your own research para maging confident ka sa mga investments mo. Because at the end of the day, pera mo yan, and you should be able to know how to handle your money. So I hope you find this video valuable and helpful, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Tapos consider subscribing so we can hit the silver play button and we can reach more Filipinos. And if you wanna start your Lodi lifestyle journey with me, visit my website freedomloveph.com. Again, that's freedomloveph.com. I hope to see you inside. Once again, this is Tio Pilo, and yung goal natin sa channel na to is to live on dividends and interest. Bye-bye!